If your maintenance team is still running on text and sticky notes, that's costing you real time and money. And it's way past time to start looking for a CMMS. MaintainX and Limble are two of the names I get asked about the most. But which one's right for your business and the way your team works? I've helped hundreds of companies make this call. Here's what you need to know. Okay, so on the surface, both of these two seem very similar. Both are cloud-based, both have mobile apps, both handle work orders, preventative maintenance scheduling, asset tracking, and more. And they're popular with teams that are moving off spreadsheets or paper for the first time. But once you dig in, you'll notice some pretty big differences right away. MaintainX is the fast start option. It's mobile first, with work orders, in-app chat, photos, and updates all in one place. If you want to get your team into a real system quickly, you really can't go wrong with MaintainX. It's great if you're a small to mid-sized company in facilities, manufacturing, and property management. Then you have Limble. It's easy to learn and offers structured workflows and configurable process control. If your operation is growing and you need a system that scales from 2 sites to 20 quickly, Limble is built for that. And it's especially solid for manufacturers and healthcare. But there are trade-offs. Let me get into specifics. The first thing MaintainX does well is the mobile app. It was designed for technicians who live on their phones. You can create a work order, attach a photo, tag a coworker, and get a response all without leaving the app. Some CMMS platforms have totally different interfaces on mobile versus desktop. It almost feels like a different software. MaintainX doesn't have that problem. Mobile and web look nearly identical. I hear from maintenance managers all the time that getting communications in one place cuts the response time significantly. Second, asset management. You can build detailed profiles with maintenance history, warranty info, and manuals. Need to track something specific like voltage for electrical equipment? Custom data fields handle that. And your techs can scan a QR code in the field to pull up everything instantly. Third, speed and value. You can start on the free plan and be up and running in a few days, not weeks. And as you need more, you can upgrade without any downtime or migration headaches. For teams that just need to get off paper into a real system fast, that matters. Now, if you're comparing these two systems and want help narrowing it down, that's exactly what we do at SoftwareConnect.com. We'll match you with the right CMMS for your business, completely free. Link is in the description. All right, so what about Limble? The first thing I like about it, ease of use. If your team's never had a CMMS before, Limble has one of the lowest learning curves out there. For example, I found its PM template creator pretty flexible and intuitive, and you can use it whether you're in manufacturing or healthcare. At the end of the day, adoption is everything. If your people won't use the system, your ROI is zero. Second, customization. Limble lets you build custom dashboards, workflows, and approval chains. If you need compliance-ready audit trails or multi-step approval workflows, it supports that out of the box with more advanced configurations and higher tiers. And third, strong compliance and process control. You're getting things like SOC2, a validated 21 CFR Part 11 version, API access, and multi-site permissions. That's the kind of infrastructure that matters as your operations become more complex. Keep in mind, though, that some of this is only available on the Premium Plus and Enterprise plans. Now let's talk downsides, starting with MaintainX. Like most CMMS tools, the Essential plan is limited. Things like parts inventory, API access, and meter-based maintenance sits at the higher tiers. That's standard for the space, but budget for the tier that you'll actually need. Lower tiers don't include phone support, though the 24/7 in-app chat gets good feedback. MaintainX also offers a free plan, which is nice if you want to test it out with a small crew before committing. Limble used to offer one, but it's no longer on their public pricing page. Another area where MaintainX pulls ahead, the mobile experience. I just find it more polished for field work, and I like the real-time messaging is built into every work order. Limble offers a strong mobile app as well, but I've heard some complaints that techs encounter occasional lag when closing out work orders on the floor. Pricing is where it gets interesting. MaintainX Essentials starts at $25 per user per month. Limble Standard starts at $28. To unlock features like unlimited procedures and parts inventory, MaintainX Premium is $75 per user per month, and Limble Premium Plus is $69. So who should pick which? Go with MaintainX if your team is mobile heavy, you need real-time communication in your work orders, and you want to be up and running fast. The mobile app is one of the best I've seen in the space, and it's a great entry point for teams getting serious about maintenance management for the first time. Go with Limble CMMS if you need stronger process control as your operation scales, especially across locations or regulated environments. It's well suited for teams standardizing workflows and tightening oversight. Just go in with your eyes open on pricing and the mobile experience. And if you're still not sure, that's why we exist. At Software Connect, we help people find the right software. We know which CMMS platforms actually work for businesses like yours. Head over to softwareconnect.com. We can get you a free needs analysis and find the right solution for you. If you want to go deeper, check out our video on predictive maintenance and the top CMMS platforms out there right now. We also have a full roundup of the best CMMS on our website. Just check the link in the description below to compare more options. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with which one you're leaning towards, and subscribe for more software breakdowns. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.